Can you see this, guys? 214,000 yesterday. Shared one beautiful trade with the inner circle of our team. I forgot to say, what's going on, traders? I hope you're all having a good time. Man, it's freaking hot in here. I'm sweating like a motherfucker, man. I don't know how much degrees we have, like 35. Man, I'm sweating like crazy, guys. But anyways, I want to talk about yesterday's trading session, and because some of you who are in the free Telegram channel, if you're not in the free Telegram channel, make sure to check the link down below. Join the free Telegram channel. I'll keep you updated about everything, and sometimes I share some trading ideas in there as well that you can maybe benefit from. Yeah, it's up to you, man. But join the free Telegram channel, and if you're looking for advice, you can always drop me a private message as well in Telegram. When I have time, I get back to your chats, I answer you, help you get on top of the Forex game, guys. So yesterday we made around 200 grand, a little bit more than that, and I shared this trade with all my masterclass students. And I think in the free chat I was asking like who's selling NASDAQ, but let me show you exactly what was happening in here, guys. So around London session we created like this high and this low. These are significant highs and lows, right? So at around 8:30 when New York started, we pushed above this significant high. We pulled a lot of buyers into the markets and we stopped a lot of sellers out. So here is a lot of liquidity sitting, a lot of business is going on in this area, right? But as you can see, the market is starting to change structure, breaking structure in here. And again, you see that pretty clear, right? That's why I was thinking like, let's sell this thing. Thing was, we had like 11,550, like even number in here, and I gave it a little bit more air to breathe. I think I had my stop around 62, 65, somewhere in this area in here. I just didn't want it to have it too tight because I expected the market to maybe come above and touch it before it drops. Because I got in a little bit earlier this time, I was not waiting until the algorithm started to kick in at around 9:30, as you can see in here. So I was a little bit early on that one because I had like the fear of missing out on that good trade, because yeah, sometimes you have the setup between New York session opening and when the algorithm starts. So I was on this one, I got a little bit FOMO kicked a little bit in, and so I took this trade, gave it a little bit air to breathe, and then yeah, it was nearly getting stopped out. So I was pretty lucky that I was, at the end of the day, I was profitable on that one. And as you can see, at around 9:30 we came up and then we rejected that one pretty aggressive. As you can see, we got below this low, then we came back again for deep retracement pullback, and then it's finally dropped. So first profit target was around here at this significant low, so I took some profits off the table in here. Around in this area, somewhere in here, I was taking 80% off the table, then another 10%, and then I had 10% running, and later on it stopped me out at break even, so I was not able to capitalize on my full potential. I think I missed out on around 100 grand because the position was in profit. The last 10% was in profit for like 100,000 or something like that in here, and I let it came back because I was like, maybe we're gonna see the big drop on Thursday. So yeah, we didn't get it, but anyways, I secured my profit, had my stop at break even. So I didn't even watch it, I was just talking to you guys in Telegram and I was chatting with you, helping you out. And yeah, that was a beautiful trade. Like this week we had like a 3 of 3 win streak. All these trades have been winners. One of them I shared with everybody for free in my Telegram channel, so if you're inside you've probably seen this one. And 2 of them I just shared with the inner circle of our team, and like I always do, I always share all my trades with the inner circle of my team. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. I hope you're having a beautiful weekend. See you later. Peace.
you know.